Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you're having a good day wherever you're watching this. Last weekend, I made the trip to Louisville, Kentucky to the Ohio Valley Regional Model Car Show and Swap Meet. And this video is about my stash ads. It's not that big of a stash ad, but I did get some pretty cool stuff. I concentrated more on supplies than I did kits, but I did pick up one kit. But thought I would start with this one right here. Picked up some of the seatbelt material. I've never had these before. I'm looking forward to giving these a try. It comes with, looks like 3 different colors. So I thought that would be cool, especially if I'm going to build a convertible where you could really see the seat belts. And then nothing special here. Picked up some more bare metal foil. You can never have too much of that. And then this is what I was really excited about. These weathering pencils by AK. Got ones for dirt, and then rust and streaking, and then chipping and aging. I thought I would try, let's see how these work. I've already tried this on a spare piece of plastic. Hang on a second. Okay, now these are mud flaps from my current, I'm building the AMT Ford snowplow. I thought I would try these and see how these look on these mud flaps here. This is from the dirt set. Let's see if I can go over these letters, highlight the try another one here. Let's just pour these out. Easier to get to. Got concrete marks, earth brown, buff, and dust. Let's see. See if I can zoom in a little bit on this. Oh, that's the same one I just used. Let's try this one. That is pretty cool. Sorry, the lighting's not the best right where I'm at, but kind of gives you an idea. Try this other one. Let's see if I can get my light in there a little bit better. Oops. Alright. That's the earth brown. It's kind of hard to see up against that dark, but you kind of get the idea. But this one right here will work really good, I bet, on the blade for the snowplow. But anyways, I thought those were cool. then here is, let me zoom out a little bit. There was a lot of good deals at the swap meet as far as kits. I mean, that's the place to find the good deals. So I found this Revell 40 Ford. It was $10 open, but everything is there. And I thought, I can't pass that up. I've had a couple different variations of this kit before, but I thought that would be fun. So, and then today, went to a friend's house. He has a model sale at his house once a month, and he's always got some good deals on kits, and I picked up a couple more. Picked up the Monogram 56 Chevy. This is a older release. It says 78 on the box. I'd be interested to look that up on ScaleMates, see how many times that's been repopped, but I thought that would be fun. I've kind of gotten tri-fi fever here lately. And then this one, the box is rough, but I got that one for $10. Everything is there. Let's try to open it up real quick. I like this one because I've had a different release of this one, but that one's got the opening trunk. And it's got, I think this is the one that's got the plug wires. I know it's probably hard to see. I don't know if those decals are any good anymore, as old as they are. That's from '98. And everything's still sealed in the bag. So that'd be fun to see what I can do with that one. Alright, well, that's it. Wasn't a very big stash ad, but I got some good deals last weekend and this weekend. So, thanks for watching. My name's Chris. This is Chris's Auto Art. If you haven't subscribed, please do so if you want to see more videos. So, have a nice rest of your day. See you later. Bye.